How to fix no sound on Fortnite. First step, restart Windows Audio Services. Search for run and type the following text services.msc. Click OK. Scroll down and search for audio services. Click the Windows Audio, right click Properties and make sure the startup type should be in automatic and the service status should be in running mode. One more time right click and restart it. Move on with next step. Check Fortnite audio settings. Open up Fortnite. Click the profile icon on the right hand side. Click settings. This page will appear. In this you need to click the audio settings. Depends on you. You can set the volume, main, dialogue, voice chat, gameplay. Set depends on you. After setting scroll down. Check for visualize sound effect. Turn it on and audio output device. Set the output device and come to communication settings. Set the voice chat and set the voice chat input and output device. Once setting after click apply and move on with next step. Click settings, click privacy and security settings, click microphone. Make sure the microphone access it should be in enable mode and let app access your microphone. It should be in enable. After completing come to next step. Select correct audio output. For this click settings, system settings, sound settings. You have seen the output. Check the device and come to next step. Verify Fortnite game file. For this you need to open up the Epic Game Launcher, click library option, click the three dot icon, click manage and click verify file. Wait for some times. It's actually verifying the game file. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. Once complete after close it and move on with next step. Go to settings, click system settings, click sound settings, click properties and test it. It should testing time it should produce the sound. If it's not producing means you need to go to the device manager, click it. In the device manager you have seen audio input and output. You need to right click and update it. Once the update complete after, you can scroll down, click the sound, video and game controller. You need to update the drive. After update you need to check if the problem still remains, then you need to disable it. After disable 5 to 10 seconds after enable it and restart your device. Thank you.